IncrediBuilders Engineering is committed to work together as a team to provide quality work in an excellent, efficient, professional, and safe manner.
Hello, I'm Daniel Pace. As a civil engineering student at BYU, I've had some of the most crucial foundational coursework, including the design of footings, including those of below grade. In structural analysis, I've also studied how to analyze beams, trusses, and frames using the stiffness, flexibility, and moment distribution methods. Also, I've used a program called Visual Analysis, which included the analysis of beams, frames, and trusses, including the addition of wind loads, snow loads, and modal shapes. This winter, I'll be taking structural steel design, which will allow me to design the best structure that will support the snowplow salters.
I'm Leah O'Neill. I'm a civil engineering student at BYU with an emphasis in structural seismic design. This semester I've been taking a structural vibrations class, and because of that class I've become adept at writing equations of motion and finding natural frequencies and modal shapes for single and multiple degree of freedom systems. For the past 3 years I've been a member of the Earthquake Engineering Research Institute. I've attended the conferences and I've participated in the student seismic design competitions. Because of this experience, I'm very familiar with seismic design and I really enjoy it. This upcoming semester, I will also be taking structural steel design, which will correspond really well with our designing your structures.
My name is Chris Bick, and I'm a civil engineering student emphasizing in structures. On top of my coursework such as structures and reinforced concrete design, I will also be taking reinforced steel design in the winter. I have been able to emphasize the learning from my classes at my internship at LEI. At LEI, I analyze plans and take into account wind, snow, and seismic loading to size footings, columns, beams, and foundations. By choosing us, you will be choosing a team that not only knows how to get things done, but that has experience doing it.
Our approach for the steel-framed structure for the snow salters and the mezzanine structure, which will be relocated, is to first obtain the plans so we can have the dimensions to properly start analyzing the snow, wind, and seismic loadings.
Using visual analysis or SAP 2000, we can simulate the seismic activity on these two structures as we design them and then modify accordingly. We can add members or increase the stiffness to ensure that we'll have the best seismic design possible.
Once we have the general dimensions and sizes and the mode shapes, we'll be able to size these beams and columns and trace the point loads down to the foundations. With a geotechnical report or the soil bearing capacity, we will then be able to size the appropriate footings to withstand these loads.
We as IncrediBuilders Engineering are really looking forward to working with you.